Hello there. Because it's Easter, we're going to be looking at eggs today. We're going to have an excellent time. Got lots of exciting activities for you. So, eggs. Birds lay eggs. Sometimes you might walk along and you might find an egg that has been dropped by a bird. When a bird hatches out of an egg, the parent bird takes the eggshell, flies away with it and drops it so that predators are fooled. So that's why you sometimes find them. I thought today we could have a go at dyeing eggs and decorating eggs. So here's what you need if you'd like to try some egg dyeing. First of all, you do need an egg. I know they're not very easy to come by at the moment, but if you manage to, this is what you can use. I've also got, I thought I'd do some experiments with some egg shells that I have left over from making some cakes, so I can experiment. So, one egg. Now, don't want to waste what's inside this egg, so first of all I'm going to have a go at blowing out the inside of the egg. Now check with a grown-up before you do this. The first thing you have to do is shake it to scramble it. Next, you've got to make a hole in both ends, very carefully. One end. When you've managed to make a hole in both ends, then you want to hold it so the bigger hole is at the bottom and the smaller hole is at the top. And then you've got to blow through the smaller hole to blow all of the egg out so you can use the egg. If you have any allergies to eggs, don't do this bit. And make sure you blow, don't suck. The other ingredients you need, I had a look around my kitchen. You can use all sorts of exciting things. You can use red cabbage, that makes a blue dye. You can use onion skins, I managed to find some of those. That makes orangey orange if it's a normal onion, and apparently pinky red if it's a red onion. So I'm going to mix them together because I haven't got enough of each. You can use beetroot, but they didn't have any beetroot in the shops. You can use, this is turmeric, that makes a yellow colour. You can use paprika, that makes a reddish colour. And I've found a little tiny bit of food colouring. To make a pattern on your egg, you take a piece of plant. I have found a little bit of cow parsley. It's a nice frondy leaf. So I'm going to use that and I'm going to wrap it around my egg. Next, I'm going to put it inside all tights to hold it in place. I fastened the tights in place with an elastic band. So you can see a leaf inside held in place by the tights. Now I'm going to go indoors. You need an adult for this because you need hot water and you need to boil it for 15 minutes in some water and whichever type of dye you're going to use. So here I have my onion skins and my egg in a saucepan. Make sure you have a grown-up to help you with this bit. So we're going to try an experiment. I'm going to put boiling water on it and I will simmer it for 15 minutes. Now it's boiling, simmering, I'm going to add some vinegar. Vinegar helps dyes to set. I thought I'd also try an experiment with the broken eggs and some cow parsley and grass from the garden. I'm also going to add a little bit of blue food colouring to this one to see what kind of colour I can make it as green as possible. Now for the grand unveiling. I haven't looked and I haven't peeked, so I'm really hoping it's going to work. I let the water cool down after the 15 minutes. Look at that. That's so lovely. And here they are. in the nest I made last week. Beautiful bright colours they've made. That's such a surprise. If you dye some eggs, post some pictures so we can see the colours that you can make.